President-elect Trump has now tapped Pam Bondi for Attorney General, replacing Matt Gaetz when he withdrew from consideration. Bondi served as Florida's Attorney General and is a longtime Trump loyalist. ABC's Christiane Cordero has the latest from Washington.
Today, President-elect Trump's new pick for Attorney General, Pam Bondi, Florida AG turned lobbyist. Her nomination comes after Matt Gaetz withdrew his name from consideration. Gaetz was one of several members of Congress nominated for a Trump cabinet position, but is the only one to resign from Congress pending confirmation. And today, he says, he doesn't plan to go back.
I'm going to be fighting for President Trump. I'm going to be doing whatever he asks of me, as I always have. But I think that 8 years is probably enough time in the United States Congress.
As Florida's Attorney General, Bondi sued multiple drug manufacturers and pharmacy chains for their roles in the opioid crisis. She claims that work reduced opioid deaths statewide. She was criticized during the 2016 presidential campaign when she passed on a case against Trump University shortly after receiving a donation from the Trump Foundation, and rallied for then-candidate Trump at the 2016 Republican National Convention.
These laws are under siege by a president determined to ignore laws he doesn't like, and by a former Secretary of State who believes the laws don't apply to her.
In 2020, during Trump's first impeachment trial, Bondi stood by Trump as a member of his legal team.
They threw due process, fundamental fairness, and our Constitution out the window in the House proceedings. That's why we're here.
And at Trump's hush money case this spring, Bondi was one of several Trump allies showing up in a sign of support. That trial ended with Trump convicted of 34 felonies. Sentencing in that case was scheduled for next week, but today the judge put it on hold indefinitely. The defense is expected to file a motion to have the case dismissed entirely. Christiane Cordero, ABC News, Washington.